Hello friends, Usha Kanakam here and I'm a motivational speaker, singer and an influencer. Together, we will embark on a transformative journey, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, celebrate victories and create a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to personal and collective success. I'm here to share my experiences, learn from yours, and collectively let's inspire each other to reach new heights. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an exhilarating ride. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell button, and join the tribe of dreamers, doers, and change makers. Together, we will unleash our full potential, shatter limitations, and make a positive impact on the world. Hello, friends, and presenting yet another motivational story. As always, please guess the topic and comment below. In a bustling city, there lived a young boy named Daniel. From a tender age, he was captivated by the world of aviation. His room was adorned with aeroplane posters and he spent hours studying books about flying. However, Daniel's dreams seemed far-fetched. He came from a modest background and becoming a pilot, it felt so impossible. But nevertheless, his passion burnt brightly within him and he refused to hear no and he wanted to achieve his dream. Determined to turn his dreams into reality, Daniel embarked on a relentless pursuit of knowledge. He spent every free moment at the local library, devoting his time on books related to aviation and immersing himself in the world of flight. As he grew older, Daniel faced countless obstacles. He faced financial constraints and societal expectations tried to dampen his spirit, but he remained steadfast. He took on odd jobs. He saved every penny to fund his flight lessons. Finally, the day arrived when Daniel stepped into the cockpit for the first time. The feeling of the control in his hands, the rush of adrenaline as the plane soared into the sky. It was a moment he would never forget. Despite the challenges, Daniel's unwavering determination and relentless pursuit of his dreams led him down to an extraordinary path. He enrolled in aviation school, tirelessly studying and perfecting his skills. With each passing day, he grew more confident in his abilities. Years later, after overcoming numerous hurdles, Daniel accomplished what seemed impossible. He earned his pilot's license
and off he left to take his first flight. The dream finally accomplished, and the dream which then looked impossible now looks like a reality. Friends, we all have dreams, and let's not only dream, let's work on our dreams, let's chase them, and let's fulfill each of our dreams. And that way we feel completely alive.
Thank you for being a part of this incredible adventure. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and get ready to be motivated, uplifted and inspired to live your best life. Remember, you have the power to make a difference and together we can achieve greatness. Let's soar to new heights and embrace the extraordinary
journey together as a team. Thank you, and until we meet next, stay positive always.